Hey everyone, my name is Camie and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you guys how to get this fall bomb classic look. So please continue to watch as we slay it. Okay everyone, so we're gonna start by using MAC Laying Low paint pot and a concealer brush. This one is from Sephora in that palette I was telling you about that doesn't exist anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my lid just so our shadows have something to stick to. What the hell is going on over there? It looks like my neighbor is like killing their dog. God, I hope not. Then we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Tarte palette. This is the collab with Makeupshayla. I'm going to use this contour color right here, which I wanna say is the number 3, and I'm going to use my MAC 224 brush and I'm going to just pop that right in my eye crease right here just as a transition shade. Then I'm going to go in with that second color, number 4 right here in the palette, and my MAC 217 brush, and just go right here in the crease, 3/4 of the crease right here, and do like a V-like shape, and just to darken the crease. Then I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors palette, the Hidden Treasures palette. Looks like this. And I'm gonna take the color Gemstone and a flat brush. This is the Zoeva 234 brush. I'm just gonna pick up this color right here, get quite a bit on the brush like that. And I'm gonna pop it right onto my eyelid. Like so. Just patting it on there. Then I just want to darken up that crease just a little bit more. So I'm going to go back in with our MAC brush and the number 4 on the Shayla palette and just pat it in right in here, just a smidge, and then diffuse it out. Just kind of building up that color in the corners. And then we're going to take our MAC 224, go back in with the color 3 in that palette, and just go right back up the top. Just diffusing out those lines. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Inglot gel liner and a eyeliner brush that I can't find. Did I leave them like over there? I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Yes, I left my brushes over there. So I'm gonna pick up this eyeliner on a Sigma E10 brush. Like, you guys, I just ordered my Duraline and it's coming in the mail, so my stuff is shot. This Inglot, like, it's a hope and a prayer right now to get this eyeliner on. I'm not gonna be winging it because this stuff ain't built for wings right now. This is what it's looking like. It's uber dry and I'm gonna try my best just to get a line on the eyelash, on the eyelid. That's all we're trying to do right now, okay? We're just trying to survive. Okay, once we have our eyeliner on, we're gonna go ahead and apply our lashes. I'm just gonna look down into a mirror just to get these bad boys on. One lash on, one to go. Okay, once we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. This is a little baby tube that I got at Sephora in the travel section. And I'm just gonna pat right up under my real lashes and just secure the lash, okay? We want to secure the lash. And then I just kind of flick it on the tips of my lashes too, just to really show off the length of these things. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Next, we're gonna start on the face. Apply my primer. This is the Farsali Blur Primer. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm like loving this primer. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the color NC44 and my Real Techniques brush, expert brush. I'm gonna pop it on the back of my hand and we are gonna get to swerving. Plop. I always start with the problem areas, which is the left side of my face. So that's where we're gonna start. And we're just gonna plop and swirl. After we finish our makeup, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our concealer. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan. And we're just gonna do a V under the eye, you know. Now this stuff is full coverage. I'm trying to get rid of these bags or these dark circles. We'll do the bridge of the nose, the chin, the forehead, honey, the forehead, okay? Any place you want light to brighten is where we're gonna put this. Out with my damn beauty blender. All right. And I'm just gonna press the product into the skin. Ooh, what the hell? And I'm also gonna go ahead and use that concealer to like cut the line right here, to like clean up this shadow and give us a nice defined line. Same with right here. We're gonna go in with our MAC Studio Fix in the color C6, and I'm gonna take my Sigma brush that looks like this, and then we're just gonna pat this into the skin. I'm just gonna kind of pat it everywhere. I crease right here a lot when I smile. gonna do it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go on the spell head. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Benign Banana powder. Again with my beauty blender. I'm gonna take some, put it in the lid, and I'm just gonna grab a whole bunch and just stick it right here just to bake a little bit to try and minimize the creasing. Well, this will help with that. And I usually don't take it from the butt, the beauty blender. You know what I'm saying? I usually do the tip. Don't mind me, okay? Don't mind me. It's early. And while it sits and we bake, I'm gonna go ahead and start my bronzing. So first I like to go in with MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. And then I go in with a humongous brush, big old fluffy brush, like a powder brush by Sigma that I use. And then we're just gonna go in to the hollows, like right in here, and just do like swipe-like motions. Just to bring some color to the face, add some dimension so we don't look so flat, you know? Snatch us up a little bit. Go on my forehead, get the shadows going on my forehead. Also what I like to do is, okay, let me just go ahead and wipe this off first. I'm just gonna take a big, huge fan brush and wipe off the bake. Sweep it off. What I like to do is go up under the contour and just swipe, just to define it a little bit more. I didn't pick up any extra product. I'm just taking what I already have and just swiping it. And then I'll take my foundation brush that I use, not picking up any extra product, and just going down and swiping some more just to make sure I don't look too like ghosted out there. And I don't want that shadow powder contrast. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want that powder contrast right up in here. I just want it to be like chiseled without powder. Okay, anyway, so I also like to go in with MAC's Blunt. This is part of my contour to really define, and my e.l.f. fan brush is also what I like to use. I pick up the product right on the round area right here where the curve starts. Take that curve, go right into the socket of my cheek. And I really try not to go past, when it comes to this product, past like my eyebrow area. So I try to keep it in like right here. I don't try to go all the way down with it, just enough. And this is how I do my dry contour without the cream. And then I'll take this same stuff and I'll go down the bridge of my nose. Both sides. And I'll shape out the tip a little bit. And then I'll take a little bit and I'll shadow out like right in this little area, right along the hairline. And a little bit down here to chisel out my jaw. I want to do underneath the eye. So underneath the eye, I'm just going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go ahead and use the mix of the 3 and the 4 from the Shayla contour kit. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And I'm just going to take any type of brush. I'm going to use this brush that, and then just go up under here and just use a pencil brush to drag it underneath just to give us some color down here. And back in with that Lancome Hypnose mascara. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara into these teeny tiny brushes. Now let's go ahead, while that dries, let's go ahead and do our highlight and our blush. So for today's highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and take Becca's Champagne Pop. Look like this. I'm just gonna take a brush. I try to find like a fluffy brush. This is another Sigma brush. It's a Sigma F10 brush. Pick up the product and go with the highest points of the cheek. Swirl it around. You guys see that? Hit the tip of the nose, go down the bridge of the nose. Right there. Behind. I kind of like to go over the eyebrows with a smidge, but I just like really overdid it, so that's where we're at. It's okay. And then if you have too much, take your little foundation brush and just kind of blur it out a little. Look at her. Okay, she looks like she's semi-ready for fall. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take, go back in with the palette, Shayla's palette. I'm gonna take this blush color right here with a angled brush, because I'm just gonna hit the apples of the cheeks. I'm gonna smile. And then I'm gonna push it back, and I'm gonna push it in between my contour and my blush, just to kind of like diffuse it and blend it together. Just like so. Throw a little on the nose if you want, a little on the chin if you want. We're gonna go ahead and spray. Oh, I'm still using my e.l.f. makeup mist and set. I got mine at Target for like $3, y'all, and it works. Let's go ahead and get these vampy lips going. I'm gonna go ahead and just go with Copenhagen. So this is what it looks like. It's a soft matte lip cream. And then I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with Max Nightmoth. Color is like that. Fill it in just a little bit. And then we're gonna go over with Copenhagen. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you apply it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram under Camie Cameron, and have a beautiful fall. Until next time.